Alright, so next thing we're gonna do, I've got my super duper helper helping me today, right? Are you helping? So next thing I'm gonna do here is get the front differential cover off. I ordered a cast aluminum differential cover from PPE, so I'm gonna get that put on in its place. This is pretty straightforward. You drain the oil out first. There's a square drive drain plug. It's just a 3/8 square. So you get your ratchet in there, break that loose, and then you can put your drain pan underneath and let all the oil drain out. It's a little less messy that way. Oh, that oil still looks new. I'm not surprised. I have hardly used four-wheel drive in this thing. Yeah, nice new looking oil. Drain plug is nice and clean. Alright, so the wire harness for your four-wheel drive actuator actually pushes into your stamped factory cover. I'm just going to use my little trim removal tool to pop those little push-through clips loose. There we go. Alright, and then your cover is just held on with a bunch of 13mm bolts. Two. And comment if you know what this undercoating is that GM uses on these here trucks. It's like waxy, tarry, nasty. Seems to do a good job, but man, it's hell to get off if you get it on your hands. Alright, there's two here in front of the steering tie rod that I'm going to have to do by hand, unfortunately. I should be able to get the rest of these with the impact now. Alright, so I got my front differential cover off. I have it here next to my replacement. It's nice because they even put the little spots in where the wire holder goes into it on the aftermarket one, so I can put them right back the way they were. And from what I can find online, this differential cover gasket, the original one, is reusable as long as it's not damaged, which I don't think mine is. Looks to be in good shape and wasn't leaking when I took it off, so I'm going to put this back on with my new cover. And then all I got to do is get my Allen-headed bolts that were supplied with the kit put back into place. The closest thing I can find says torque these to 13 foot-pounds. So I'm going to get these put back up there and torque down, and then we'll fill it back up with oil.
Remember, start all the bolts before you tighten any.
Okay. got them all started. Let's start getting them torqued down. Alright, we got all our cover bolts on and torqued. I'll find our little spot here to push our wire harness back in. There we go, got that in. Wire harness tucked up safely out of the way. Now, two of these bolts over here by the pitman arm, I can't get on, so I'm gonna have to turn the wheels a little bit to be able to get in and get those tight. But before I do that, I'm gonna put the drain plug back in. Get it snug. Boop. Now I'm going to turn the wheels to the passenger side. It should have given me clearance to be able to get these last two bolts torqued. Cover bolts are all pulled down. All we gotta do is fill it back up with oil. And then I'm filling back up with just AC Delco 7590, the recommended gear oil for this differential. Alright, I think we're there. Yes, I think we're there. Shoot. Let's try to get the plug not so totally dirty before we stick it in the diff. Hi! Hi, sweet girl! There we go. Oops. Alright. There we go, our PPE front differential cover is installed.